What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anna. I'm a makeup artist, and yeah, I enjoy doing colorful but wearable looks. Wearable in my opinion, I guess. But anyway, if you want to see how I got this wonderful blue kind of vibe, I don't know what else to call it. What do you think? Let me know in the comments what we should call this look. Yeah, keep on watching. What's up, guys? Okay, so I already prepped my eyes with MAC Painterly Paint Pot, of course. So now I think I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna use some translucent powder. This one is the Maybelline Fit Me. A fluffy brush to set that base. So I'm gonna just throw, I think I'm gonna throw some bronzer in the crease. I just always like to get a nice little transition shade before I start working with color. So I'm just gonna pick this guy up here. I believe it's just a fluffy brush. I got it from Soho, I believe that's the brand. They sell it at Walgreens, but I've had this brush forever. It's one of my favorite fluffy brushes. So I'm gonna pick up the Fenty Beauty Caramel Cutie. Do you guys say caramel? Caramel or caramel? I say caramel. I know that's probably wrong, but whatever. All right. So I'm gonna get some of that on the brush, tap off any excess, and I'm gonna pop that right in the crease, just to give a little bit of color to the eye before we start working with those blues. It doesn't have to be like super dark, just a little bit. I'm gonna pick up another fluffy brush. This one's a Wet n Wild brush. I'm gonna go in with Norvina Volume 2. And I'm picking up this bright blue shade right here. This is B5. I'm gonna start off very, very lightly because I do want it to be kind of a more like diffused look. All right, now I'm gonna pick up Norvina Volume 1, and I'm gonna be picking up this blue shade right here, and I'm gonna focus that on the outer V of my eye. Just with another fluffy brush. Actually, I think I'm gonna bring that all the way in. I'm gonna go back in with that bright blue from Norvina 2. I'm just gonna blend this out. So now I'm gonna cut the crease, and I'm gonna do this a little differently. Usually I just do it with a concealer. Today though, I'm gonna pick up my Tarte Micellar Magic makeup remover. Also gonna pick up a Q-tip, and I'm just gonna, I'm just gonna get some on this. Make sure it's wet, but not like dripping wet. Cut my crease. If you have the pointy Q-tips, I think those would be easier to use. So I'm gonna pick up this e.l.f. concealer. This is in the shade Light Ivory. It is their 16-hour camo concealer. And put some on the back of my hand. And picking up this little detailed brush, I'm gonna cut the crease and create just a blank canvas. I am gonna do yeah, that's it. I'm gonna do this. This is one of my least favorite palettes. My least favorite palettes. It's the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. But one of the shades in there is my absolute favorite, and I think it would make this look so good. So I'm just going to use it. So I'm going to put some translucent powder on the edge of that, just so it'll be easier to blend that up in there with that. But before I put my lid color, I'm gonna get just a tiny detail brush like that, and I'm gonna go in with that darker blue, and I'm just gonna go detail around that cut crease. So now I'm gonna go in with the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, and I'm picking up this shade here, Eden, with a brush like this. I'm just gonna pack that on there. Look how pretty that looks. I'm gonna finish this side and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that we got that cut crease down, I am picking up a pencil brush, and I'm gonna go back in with that bright blue shade, and I'm gonna just blend in like that. All right, and then I'm gonna go back in with that dark blue on that same brush that we used to apply it. But I'm gonna be careful not to blend it too much into that bright blue that we put down. And bring it out. So I'm maybe picking up some brown gel liner on just a liner brush. I'm pretty sure this one's a paintbrush, but whatever works. And I'm only gonna line about halfway in. And bring it down just a little. I'm gonna use a pencil brush to smudge that out. Ew, okay. This is weird for me because I never use this palette, but I'm gonna pick up Oud from the Desert Dusk palette, and I'm gonna apply that right where we smudged that liner. And then I'm gonna pick up just an eyeshadow brush like this. I'm gonna dip back into Eden, which is the shade we have on our lid, and I'm gonna, smudge that underneath too. Very end of the lower lash line, I'm gonna apply that dark blue just to kind of blend the top and the bottom together. I'm gonna do my face off of camera real quick and I'll be right back. So I'm gonna apply some eyeliner in my tight line. Oof, I hate doing this so much, but okay, that wasn't as painful as I thought it was gonna be. I'm a crybaby. Phew. That always hurts my eyes. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and curl my eyelashes and apply some mascara. I'm gonna be applying my newest favorite mascara. This is the I'm gonna be applying my favorite mascara. This is the Lily Lashes Triple X mascara. I'm gonna do that to my top and bottom lashes. Okay, so I want to finish most of my face. I'm going to put on some eyelashes. These ones are in the style Dallas from Lily Lashes. These are one of my favorite lashes of all time. All right. I'm going to kind of blow and shape them. If you work on clients, do not blow on their eyelashes. That's unsanitary. But you can always just fan them. And I like to place in the middle and then adjust the corners. All right, so I'm all done with the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and set my eyebrows real quick. I'm gonna be using a couple different products. I like to use the Gimme Brow by Tarte, and the Give Me Brow by Benefit. And I also like to use the Busy Gal Brows from Tarte. So I usually get the darker shade in Busy Gal Brows. And I like to focus the darker color towards the outer part of my brow. And then I'm going to go in with the Give Me Brow, and this is a lighter shade. And I just like to do the front and kind of blend that in. So last is lips. I mean, this is a pretty bold look, so of course I'm going to do a nude with it. Oh, and I actually just got a new nude. It's from Tarte. Let me see. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? It is the Tarteist Lip Paint in the shade Salty. And this is the color. So pretty. So I'm going to line my lips with Brown Sugar from Kylie Cosmetics. And I think this would make a good color to use on clients as well. So I'm going to do this the sanitary way. And get a lip wand. So I'm just going to get some off of the wand over here. Let's see. Ooh, it's like peach, like our lid shade here. Very nice. Then I'm going to go ahead and go back in with the lip pencil, focusing this on the corners of my mouth. And I definitely think that this look needs a little bit of shimmer in it. It's predominantly matte, if not all matte. So I think I'm going to pick up a highlighter. The SELENA highlighter is probably the prettiest highlighter ever. And it'll definitely go with this look. Just gonna get like a tapered brush like this. Get some of that on there. Oof. And I'm also gonna pick up, let me see, I'm gonna pick up a pencil brush, and I'm gonna come up here to my brow bone and highlight that bad boy as well. And then I'm also gonna add some in my inner corner. I'm gonna give my face a quick spray down, and that'll be that for the look.